In a jungle of eyes with a magical glow, animated monkeys put on a show. Their fur is shiny, their smile so wide, as they leap to the river for a splashy ride. The elephants join, spraying glitter streams, the trunks creating sparkling beams. A parrot in sneakers flies in with a cheer, while a tiger in sunglasses grins ear to ear. Giraffes sip smoothies with swirling straws, clapping their hooves at the monkeys' applause. Hippos do belly flops with a mighty splash, animated waves make the jungle flash. The river sparkles in the golden light as monkeys flip with all their might. Their tails spin like propellers in flight, drawing giggles that echo through the night. When the glowing moon peeks through the trees, the breeze whispers softly through dancing leaves. The jungle hushes, the fun slows down, but tomorrow the splash bash returns to town. Animated joy in a jungle so lush, the monkey splash bash is a